Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw project data from Airtable with API Key Access Review, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw project data from Airtable using an API key, begin by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the API section on the Airtable website. Select the base that contains the project data you wish to access. Locate your API key in your account settings under the API section. Copy your API key to your clipboard. Open a code editor or an integrated development environment on your computer. Create a new file for your script and ensure it supports HTTP requests. Start by importing the necessary libraries for making API calls. For Python, you may want to use the requests library. If using JavaScript, consider the fetch API or Axios for making requests. Initialize your URL variable with the base API endpoint. Add the table name to the end of the API endpoint. The complete URL will look something like this: https://api.airtable.com/v0/left_base ID right. Store your API key in a variable, ensuring it remains confidential. Set up the headers for your API request, including your API key for authorization. Using the correct method, make a GET request to the Airtable API endpoint. Check the response status code to ensure the request was successful. If successful, parse the JSON response to extract the project data. Handle any errors that may occur during the request process. For a smooth experience, consider implementing a retry mechanism for failed requests. Log the retrieved project data to the console for review. If necessary, format the data for more straightforward presentation. Finally, ensure you respect Airtable's API rate limits and usage policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.